Hello everyone, welcome to the how to channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to turn off typing indicator on Instagram. Now guys, have you noticed that when having a conversation with that friend on Instagram, it shows when the other person is typing? Now guys, if you don't want that to be your case and you don't want people to know whether you're typing or not, now you want to follow me throughout this short tutorial because I'm going to be showing you how to turn that off. Now the first thing, you're going to be going over to Instagram, and then guys, when you get over there to Instagram, you're going to be tapping on your chat icon at the top right hand corner of the screen. Now guys, you're going to be tapping on that particular friend that you want to turn off the typing indicator. Now I'm going to be tapping on my friend, and then you're going to be tapping on their name at the top. Guys, it brings you over to this section where you can see privacy and safety. Now you want to tap on that, and then guys, you're going to be seeing typing indicator. Now guys, you're going to toggle that off, so the next time you are chatting with this your friend, they will never know whether you are typing or not. Now guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the how to channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.